Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change where Microsoft Teams recordings are saved to. Now, whenever you are in a meeting, you get an option to record your meeting. And if you do record it, it automatically saves to your drive. Now, we're gonna show you how to change the location where it saves to. So if you want to do that, just follow me. Now, to see or change the location of your recording save location, what you have to do is from here, just click on the three dot icon and then just click on settings from here. Then from this menu, you need to go inside file and links. Now under file and links, you'll find this. This is basically where every file is saved. To change the location, what you have to do is just click on the change download location button. It's not properly rendered on mine. You'll see a button here called change. And then you can just select any folder where you want the recording to be saved. Just select any folder you liked and then just click on select folder and the location will be changed. And if you want Microsoft Teams to ask you every time where each recording should save, make sure to turn this option on. If you keep this option on, every time a recording needs to be saved, it will prompt you and ask you where to save the video. And that's basically it. And that is how to change the location of recordings on Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.